Hi everyone. So here are the 8 human powers unique to us that AI will never take away from us. And by the way, AI also has 8 very unique powers that we can never compete with, which I'll gladly share with you on another occasion. But I just want to make something very clear. That is that while we need to practice these powers and work on them, improve them, strengthen them for a future AI world and robotic world, it needs to be very clear that these powers are important right now. I hope you can look at them and realize that if you and I can just up our game a little bit on each of these, 2, 3, 5 percentage points, or if those who report to you or your employees across the business would focus on these and improve and practice them every day more consciously and hold one another accountable to be true to their human powers, the difference it would make in your organization. People start making better decisions more consciously. In fact, just make decisions and then be accountable for them. If moral judgment happened more regularly, people chose morally more accurately. Commitment, just imagine if your people realize they have the power to commit to the plan that was discussed, the off-site decisions, and people just commit consciously because they realize commitment is something I have a power to decide to do. It's not something I'm paid for. It's not part of my salary. It's a human power. And I can go on like this if you start looking at the realization, if all your people have a realization that relationship is a power unique to me and I need to work on that, because that'll get me somewhere. That'll get our organization somewhere, our team. That eye of faith, that ability to see a better future, to hope for a better future. Love, if we love ourselves more, love people around us more. So I just want the penny to drop that this is not just trying to come with something interesting to match the AI momentum. This is what will make you and me a better human being, father, husband, a better employee, a better leader, just a better person to be around. Every day now, I look at these 8 powers and I think, I'm feeling down. It's hard to do something pioneering. At times, I really wonder if I'm on the right course. And then I sit back and I say to myself, I'm doing all I can. I see a better future. I know it will work out beautifully. And somehow that activates the eye of faith. It activates the power of faith. And I step into the dark and I do what I can. I make a decision and I move forward and I take accountability. And I remain committed to our vision and our purpose. And something happens. Breakthroughs come. Somehow my mood changes, my outlook. So these are powers. I use the word a lot because maybe we see them as capabilities. We see them as other things. But life is truly all about power. It is to have power. But of course, there's good power and there's bad power. The power to choose, the power to have faith, the power to love, the power to commit and be disciplined. And each one of these powers have a specific attribute that it needs in order for it to be successful. It's got a couple. But for example, if you look at moral judgment, I think courage goes with that. I'll share that more in time. I'll leave you with a final thought. When you come into our platform, there you can engage the content that I and others share with you around being an improvement architect, meaning you want to improve your 8 powers and you want to help others do the same so that we can lead the future. When you engage content like this, there's a little star on the left. When you click on that, you do a reflection test. And as you do that, the system starts preparing a improvement architect certificate for you on a leading self, others, organization, society level. So you start becoming certified by participating, by listening and learning from the content that are shared amongst different improvement architects. So I'll share with you out here on social media and on my WhatsApp group, but you can actually officially be certified as an improvement architect while you're a leader, while you're an executive, while you're a manager, while you're an engineer. And all it does is ensures that you remain fit in these 8 human powers. Cheers, bye.